Hi, I'm Gary Smith, Senior Marketing Manager at Budnick Converting. Today we will be showing you 5 critical factors of adhesion utilizing our TAPES acronym. Although you may prefer to think about the substrate the adhesive will stick to, the substrate surface energy and texture and environmental conditions help determine the adhesive. Once you've selected the adhesive and made sure the substrate is clean and dry, you can apply the tape with at least 15 pounds of pressure, basically a firm thumb rub. Ideally, apply the tape at temperatures between 50 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. The adhesion bond will grow quickly with a rubber-based adhesive, but acrylics will grow gradually over 72 hours. Once an acrylic adhesive has had time to wet out and set, it will resist environmental factors like temperature, UV, moisture, chemicals, etc. To learn more, visit Tape 101 at the Learning Center at budnick.com.